In our life, we face multiple decisions. Some can be positive, some can be negative, but nobody in this world is perfect. We'll make mistakes, and sometimes we don't have the full knowledge and potential we require to make ethical decisions. People in this world have to witness assassinations, war, to corrupt world leaders, to poverty. We all have a soul within us all and should do what is right, as we only live once. And some of us fall into the trap of being persuaded otherwise. We all live one life, and we should put in time and effort to avoid the easy way out. Some human beings feel trauma to start the day because their human dignity or rights aren't fulfilled. Our path is laid out in life, so we should use our moral understanding to make this world a better place and in which God wants. Thank you everybody for listening, and may God bless you all.